I think the most important thing for me is the emotional connection that people have with the food. Quality, of course, is very important, and the memory of food. You want to eat some food that you remember. I'm Dominique Ansel. I'm a pastry chef based in New York. I opened my first bakery about 6 years ago, and now I've had the chance to develop my craft and what I love throughout the world. So we now have a shop here in London, in Tokyo, and also in Los Angeles. My dad used to work in a factory, so when I was young, I didn't have that many options to go to school. I decided to find a job and work in a restaurant. This is how I got into cooking and eventually baking. There's a lot of things I'm proud of. I think first, my team. I have amazing people around me. I wouldn't do all of this without them. They think about the food with me, and we come up with ideas and we come up with new things together. Each and every creation has a different process of development, and I will say like some of them are shorter than others. The frozen s'mores, for instance, took me about like 3-4 weeks, and it took me about like 3 months to develop the cronut. You know, it's pastry science, so you really have to go deep into it, look at all the ingredients, all the techniques you could be using. Connecting with our customers is very important for me. Not just creating food to be good or to be beautiful, but it has to be meaningful as well.